In this guide, we're going over how you can download GTA Vice City using an official and safe method. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications turned on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more guides just like this. On top of that, if you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's a few methods that you might see online, but by far the best and safest way to download GTA Vice City is on PC through the Rockstar Games launcher, since the game is no longer available as a standalone purchase on Steam. So go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice and get the Rockstar Games launcher, or if you already have it, simply go ahead and open it up. And there's two different options on here. You can go to the store and you can get the trilogy, or you could get the standalone game as well, just by searching up GTA Vice City. But essentially, just scroll down, find the option to purchase it, and purchase it through here. And then from here, go over to your games tab. You'll be able to find it on here, and then of course you'll be able to hit play, similar to how it works on something like GTA 5. This also makes it super easy to mod, which is super convenient. That being said, this is not the only way to get it. You can also open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this, and you could just go ahead and search something like GTA Vice City, hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and go ahead and find the one from Rockstar Games, open up, and then of course you can go ahead and purchase the game through here as well. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel as well. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.